Pam, 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 pam. Yeah, what I don't know, Shower Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara. I would love if you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of the great things you can do for help grow this channel. You understand what I say? Now, the other day I make a video about how men can last longer with them girls. You understand what I say? Now, ladies, I'm gonna give you the hack that will help him to reach climax faster. You understand what I say? So, I show the man them how to last longer. Now, I'm gonna show the woman them how to make no boss, quick, cute. You understand what I say? Can I get a sound effect? Ladies, are you ready? Let's go. So, mama, you see the first thing you're gonna do if you want him for boss, you have to just go so. You start so good. Start so good hard and make sure so you're looking at me every time you're sucking. You understand what I say, mama? If you're there on your knees, look up on him like you look up on Jesus. You understand what I say? And don't forget the little sound effects too. You understand what I say? You see that little sound effects, that little that will make extra vein pop up in the hood. You understand what I say? The blood just start circulate crazy. You understand what I say? Once you go some one little tears run out of your eyes. Trust me. In the boy next 5 minutes, I hit that. You understand what I say? And if you like it, don't spit it out, mama. Digest me. You understand what I say? Digest me. So you go on deal with it. Slappy. Look up near me eye. Eye contact is a big thing. And make noise. You have to make noise, mama. Make a one little tear run out of your eye. You don't know what that do for your man ego. You understand what I say? You just make the thing get. You hear my boy say? She has said the thing tough.
Girl, I said the thing tough.
You understand what I say, mama? You don't know the shrubs, so make sure you say if you want. You understand what I say? Up move. Now, ladies, the number 2 tip. Find his erogenous spots. Those are the spots where really sensitive. You understand what I say? Spots where make him go overboard. You understand what I say? Like for some people, you know, some of them are them side, some people are them neck, some people are them nipper. Me, neck and nipple for me. But just love when I get a, you know what I mean, I kiss him on my neck or I lick off my nipple. You understand what I say? Run her tongue down my blood clot abs. Them little thing that turn me on. You understand what I say, mama? So you have to make sure so you find what work for him. What you know, the little button them will make him say woohoo like Pillsbury dog boy. You understand what I say? You go to and touch him and say woohoo. Yeah. Dog I say, whoa. Dog I say, oh my God, what is she doing? Shorty going crazy. See, you have to make sure, mama, just understand, say, man have whole heap of nerve endings like you. You understand what I say? And them nerve endings there, it do the same thing where it do for you. It bring forward pleasure. So you have to find them. You understand what I say? And tickle him. Yeah, man, tickle him, man. Make him go, hoo-hoo. You understand what I say? So that's number 2. Now, ladies, they one here for the brave heart. You understand what I say? This is one here for the brave heart. Tip number 3 for make your man quick in the bedroom. You understand what I say? So, tip number 3. You see, the area between the balls and the body hole, right there, so when you're in the perineum, that look a strip the aka the gooch, you need to play with that. Learn to play with the perineum. If you now use your hand or your blood clot tongue, just use, yeah, do something. If you don't want lick down there, kiss the gooch, use your hand. You understand what I say? If you just run your hand over it, right? That's very sensitive. You understand what I say? So just run your hand over the blood clot gooch, mama. Run your hand over the gooch. Kiss the gooch. Lick the gooch. You understand what I say? And you see, when him goes to woman, him is like the dog climax. Dog ready for bus. More you press pan the gooch, mama. You understand what I say? Just press pan the gooch and take him to climax heaven. You understand what I say? Take him to Christ, mama. Because you see when a bus juice the bus, make sure see your face out of the range because you might blind. You want to shoot out rapid burst. Grrr, pam, 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 pam. Chubby! Mama, just play with the gooch, man. Play with the gooch. And we are go back to number 1. So number 1 will say suck good, don't. You see after you suck good, don't neglect the balls. And after you deal with the balls, you go straight to the gooch. Now you see if you want to go lower than the gooch, I don't know about that part. You understand what I say, mama? If you want to start dwindling a batty wall, a phone thing that, you understand? Me now go so far. You understand what I say? And a whole heap of people now go so far with the gooch need. I have some man who now go so far with balls. You have some man who now go far with blood clot body. But here, mama, a gooch it stop for me. You understand what I say? So get the gooch a little lick, get the gooch a little run and rover. You understand what I say, mama? Just make sure say you press the gooch when you know say I'm ready for bust. Because that right so, at the rest of him hood with there in him body, you know. Because if you pay attention, you know, your hood longer than where surface level, you know. So the little part the underneath him bars are still him hood. So when time my boss, you just press a little part like a blood clot game, like a doorbell. Just press it like a doorbell and let's press the perineum, mama. Kiss the gooch, lick the gooch, touch your gooch. Don't be shy, alright? Tip number 4. That is to be more vocal and more active. Some of us come a man here, come lay down pan on a big broad brack like on a big piece of lag. We just for come take fuck. No, mama, you have to come move, mama. You understand what I say? Catch up on the blood clot, just a draw. You understand what I say, mama? Open just a draw, sit down pan it. You understand what I say? Cock up on the nightstand, jump on the chandelier, spin on the blood clot ceiling fan, something. Don't just come here, come lay down and look at my blood clot ceiling like big lag. I see her I take fuck and the breast them a jump. Yeah, mama, get up and move, man. I want you to move with me. You understand what I say? You can't just come and just leave up the vibes. The vibes are for right. The vibes can't lay and weak out. My hood got dead, mama. You have to remember, me alone can't feel the sexual energy turned. And me alone can't do all of the work. You have to push a foot to mama. You understand what I say? And you see the more you push a foot, and the quicker the dog I go. You ever see blood clot home alone yet when my boy stays so the tall brother, the thief, when him get shocked and him stays up. I saw him make a look where you deal with it, mama. Trust me. Just trust me. Just follow them tips, yeah. And you can make him. Now, for the last and most important tip. You understand what I say? And fellas, a lot of these women don't understand the way they make us feel determine the outcome. You understand what I say? Like, mama, I'm show your levels. All you have to do, I just treat him like a king. You see, once you treat him right, show him love, respect, you honor him, make sure say him name clean in the streets, your name clean in the streets, mama, he's gonna be happy. When him happy, everything I go up there. You understand what I say? Because negative emotions have a negative effect on your body. When you are in distress, it affects your brain, it affects your aura, it affects everything about you. So if him feel happy and all those endorphins are on all over in his body, mama, you walk past him, dog would have got tiff. And him go ready. Some man have to turn on. But you see the good attitude we give him already turn on because he say, yo, him have the best wife in the world. Mama that's sexy. You understand what I say? Because you have enough woman that's sexy, but the attitude nasty, so the dog just turn off. But once you realize you put nothing but love and respect and honor on him, mama, sex got top tier. Energy, top tier. Physical, top tier. Spiritual, top tier. All you have to do, them understand my G's. All them have to, and them job so easy. All them have to do, I just make you happy, bad bro. That's all them have to do, just make you happy. That's it. And them get ladies, just as I say, suck him mood, looking at me eye, do the little. You understand what I say? Do the little. Find him erogenous zones, him nipple, him neck, all him ears. You know what I'm saying? I love when girl put all them tongue in my ears and them things. Them things are for people who take care of themselves and very hygienic. Some of the nasty down, ears waxing down the ears. No girl like a lick out on the ears, brother. You understand what I say? That is why I take extra care of myself, bro. I clip my fingernails so when time in her, she never get no infection, no cut, no nothing. I clean out my ears because I like when girls shoot them tongue in my ears. You understand what I say? I like them something there. Shoot my tongue in my ears, mama. You understand what I say? When time you have something mode, do this. Make a little tear run out there. You understand what? Them not understand them thing, yeah. You have to deal with the thing wicked, mama. Don't be shy. Play with the gooch. Pinch him nipple. Be exciting. Don't just come here and just lay down like a big lag, mama. That not gonna work. You don't just come and just lay down on the blood clot back like say, I'm not come watch TV in the ceiling. See them lay down on them back and look at them and say, no, mama. No, come sit down on the blood clot. You understand me? Fellas, if you don't want to add anything to this to make the woman them know what time it is, go and comment it there for them so them can see. You understand what I say? But I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you say on a like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Bless up. If there's anything underneath to add, just add it. You understand what I say? Up move!